You're going out with the boys to a bar, to a club, to a lounge. You want to have some fun. There's going to be music, there's going to be dancing, some booze, and definitely a plethora of spicy senoritas. It's going to be awesome, potentially, but it could also potentially be not so awesome. It all boils down to personal pre-party preparation to ensure that you have an evening of epic proportions. So today, gentlemen, I am going over 10 things every guy should do before he goes to a club, bar, or lounge. Number 1, make sure your grooming game is strong. Manscaped, shower, deodorant, powder, hair, moisturize, cologne. And once your grooming game is straight, then it's time to move on to the second thing every guy should do. Make sure he looks better than all of his friends. When I go out to a bar or club, I like to dress in a t-shirt. I will also bring a super lightweight jacket like this bomber jacket. The idea is that if it's hot in there, you can always remove the outer layer and rock and roll with those big guns you've been working on. But if it's cold, you can still look super cool and smooth layering with a great jacket. Number 3 is consolidate your wallet. Instead of taking your whole wallet, what I'd recommend is just take your ID and one debit card in some type of slim wallet. Don't forget the cash. Boom. There's no reason you need to carry 27 credit cards, your shopper reward card from the grocery store, and your gym membership. The 4th thing to do before you go out, it's all about your phone. You need to charge it completely. You also need to make sure you've got 2 specific apps downloaded: Uber and Discotheque. Every single one of you needs Uber or Lyft, whatever you're into, installed on their phone, because I don't want you doing anything stupid like getting killed or hurting somebody by drinking and driving. The other app that everybody needs is called Discotheque. It's like the ultimate nightlife going out resource app. It's totally free. There's a link down below. But basically what happens, Discotheque gives you all the information you could possibly want in order to make the best decision on where to go. Discotheque gives you club pictures. It talks about the dress code, the prices, the overall vibe, and the location of the different clubs and events. It helps you figure out where to go. It also gets you on guest lists, totally free, and it helps you even book bottle service, which is totally cool. Discotheque, like I said, is the ultimate going out app. It's got everything and makes sure that you know all the information to make the best decision. Check it out. You pick the city. I'm gonna go Atlanta, and then it actually shows you different locations, but you can also search by events. Look at that, right? Boom. Check it. What? And it's got all sorts of crazy information. Guys, this is an app that is like absolutely a must-have for anybody who wants to go out, who's thinking about going out, or who may go out in the future. It's totally free, guys. There's a link down below. Go download the app Discotheque. It is incredible. A must-have if you're somebody who likes having a good time. I first heard about Discotheque through my buddy who went to Vegas, who had to like get a bachelor party together, and normally like Vegas is like insane. Well, through the app, he like booked everything, had an incredible time everywhere he went. He had bottles and tables, and he killed it. And so, gentlemen, hit that link down below. If you are somebody who likes going out, wants to go out, plans to go out sometime in the future, you gotta download the app. It's totally free, it's super cool, and lets you be the VIP every time you go out. 5th thing every guy should do prior to going out to a club, bar, or lounge is you gotta eat. Eat something substantial, not just like a piece of toast, not just like a protein bar. You've gotta eat something and get a base in your stomach. The whole deal is that you wanna make sure that you've got something in your stomach to help slow the absorption of alcohol so you don't get all sloppy drunk like immediately. I don't want you to be the guy 2 hours in that didn't eat anything, that starts like drinking, you're having a great time, people are doing shots and getting all crazy, and you're in the bathroom puking like an hour and a half later. Everybody knows the guy, and everybody's probably been the guy. You gotta make sure you have something in your stomach substantial so you don't get too drunk too fast. And since we're talking about drinking, getting drunk, we can't forget about number 6, which is hydrate. Everybody talks about drinking water before you go to bed, like after you get home, right? I am a firm believer in be hydrated before you go out, and then after you get home, hydrate a little bit more. Hangovers and headaches are a direct cause of you being dehydrated. The more dehydrated you are, the worse that bad boy feels. And because you just ate something prior to going out, you need to make sure to remember number 7, which is brush your teeth. You're not going to be the guy with nasty breath and crap like in his teeth, right? That is not sexy. That is not hygienic. You got to make sure you brush before going out. Also, pro tip, bring gum or mints. Mints are fine. The 8th thing every guy should do before going out, if you're not driving, which if you're going to be drinking, you shouldn't be, is instead of bringing a whole keychain and ring in your pocket to get back in the house, instead, hide a key. Number 9 is hit an ATM to grab some cash. Don't be the guy that's like, yo, I don't have any cash, I just have my card, can you spot me? Because here's the deal, if you're going out, you will definitely need cash. For tips, for like, lap dances? I'm kidding, not, whatever. And last, but certainly not least, the 10th thing every guy should do if he's going out to a bar, club, or lounge is drink responsibly. Guys, here's the deal. Right? You don't want to be the guy that gets into fights. You don't want to be the guy that wakes up blacked out with a cut or like, I know because it's happened to me and it's horrible. You're incredible, you're amazing. Just be careful and take it easy on those spicy senoritas.